So you need beef, potatoes, onions, green pepper, carrot, garlic, ginger, coriander, lemon, soy sauce, and the spices. Marinate your meat first by adding all your spices.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down.
Now let's prepare our veggies and the potatoes.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.
In my last video, I just said, like, ladies, you don't have to eat the meat for you to know if the meat is soft or not. Just take one piece, put it aside, cut it, and then see if it is soft or not. All the ladies in the building almost killed me. So guys, this is the time you take 3 pieces of your meat, put it in a plate, eat, for you to know if your meat is soft or you have to add more water. So guys, now let's add all the veggies.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Now the beef platter is Ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Till next time, bye.